YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video today. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. You guys can check them out. The link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. And this is coming from Balls. Your balls are in good hands. Yeah, buddy. It happens to us. Your results may vary. This is 100% waterproof, so you could shave in the shower and do your thing. Right there. 2.0. You got some goodies in here. Shows at the bottom. And then now, you also get this. Cleanse and Recharge Body Wash. Wet skin, leather, and just gel at the bottom around your, around your balls. Tennis balls, you know? Alright, here we go. Let's see what this is. Kind of reminds me of that Eminem song he had. You should search it on YouTube. Pretty funny. And here we go. There's that dude. Oh, read me or scan to watch video. It's alright. We got video right here. And nice presentation though. Let's see what else we got. So definitely check them out. We got the goodie box here. And that's empty. And this must be the blades. You get a little charging stand. That's always a good thing to have. Got the USB or just a power. Yep. Put that in. And you get a little brush to go with it. So that will definitely come in handy. So we got this. Slide up. Slide down. Pretty easy. Definitely I'm not going to show a demo on this video, so, you know, because of, I don't do that. So definitely check them out. Oh, feels good. Nice grip. Nice LED right there. Got the light right there to see everything. Hey, this is nice. You can definitely take this on the road with you in case you have like a weekend visit, you know, on vacation or something, or on business. Yeah, this is definitely a nice one. So, and then you get the little lotion. Let's take a whiff. So thank you guys for sending me this. Much appreciated. And like I said, YouTubers, you guys could get it. Maybe for Christmas gift or birthday gift. Gift to yourself, you know. Oh yeah, this smells good. Do not drink it. But yeah, this definitely smells really good. Shake it up. So it's just like, you know, Axe body wash type deal. But just for your testes, you know. So we got this. It goes right there to charge it. And it's super lightweight. Has a nice grip. You know how that goes. So just be careful, and like I said, this would be a nice gift to anybody. And we got one in here. Okay, nothing there. So just pop. Just switch. There you go. Keep it low. Yeah, it should be good. There you go. Alright, YouTubers, balls, check them out. Be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.